Now let's talk about YouTube mindset that you need to have as a creator. Because majority of the creators, when they start, they have the mindset of the viewer rather than creator. They see the videos as a viewer, but don't consider themselves as a creator. And by having the good mindset as a creator will help you in a short run and in the long run, because it's a difficult task to be a YouTube creator, and you need a really good mindset, a correct mindset in order to succeed on YouTube, at least somehow succeed on YouTube. And to help you with this, I will give you four phrases that you need to remember for yourself and understand its meaning, and always have it in your mind while you're being a creator. That will help you to push forward to the new heights and will get you to the place where you want to be. So let's just start with the first phrase, which is, yesterday was the best time to start. Second best is now. That means this is a thing that you want to do when you're beginning a channel. Yesterday was actually any time before today, before now, was the best time to start. Because if you started in the past, you would already be one step ahead. But you didn't, or maybe you didn't. But you still have the second best time, which is right now. There will not be the better time to start YouTube than now. It will not become easier than it is now. Every single day that you passes, every single hour that passes, that you do not create YouTube videos when you want to create YouTube videos, it is becoming harder to succeed on YouTube. It is becoming harder for you to find the strength to do a YouTube. So just start creating YouTube videos right now. And this is perfectly tied with the second phrase that people is being stuck by. Done is better than perfect. That's what stops us from creating the YouTube videos in the first place. You want to create a YouTube video so perfect and so good that it would succeed from your first video onwards, which will not happen, which never happens. Well, maybe 99% of cases does not happen. So thinking of yourself as the 1% is, well, kind of really selfish and, well, not smart. Because none of us are really special. Not in a way that many of us think. We are special, but not in a way that we think. So instead of thinking of the perfect videos that we can create and we can craft, perfect first video or whatever number of video is, we can just do it. Just take the video and make it done. Record or whatever the capacity we have, our first video, and whatever the knowledge that we have, and then learn from it. Because this is the baseline. Our first video, or whatever number the video is, will be the worst video ever. Every next video will be better. Every next one. But in order to have a better video, you will need to have a bad video first. You will need to have a baseline. When you watch the video and see, you know what, okay, I will fix this, this, and this in the next video, and then you'll do it. And the next video will be better. Then you will watch the second video and you'll say, hey, you know what? These things can be better now. And then you'll fix the second ones, and the third ones, and the fourth one. And then you'll continue to create your videos better and better. With this doing, you will improve your capabilities to do your video, your workflow. You will do it faster and better and better and better. But in order to do this, you will need to do your first video. Focus on starting and finishing tasks rather than making it perfect. Because nobody wants to see the perfect video that you never made. But people will see the okay video that you actually made. So let's switch to the third phrase, which is beginning is always the slowest. Meaning that whatever you'll do, your beginning will be very, very slow. Growth speed is not constant. More time passes, the more content you create, growth will increase exponentially. Think of it like that. Every single one of your videos is the window to your channel. If you have only one window, it will be very hard for people to discover you. If you will have two windows, meaning two videos, you'll have double the chance for people to discover you. With 3, triple. 4, quadruple. With 30 times more chance to be discovered. 50 times more. 1,000 1,000 times more to be discovered. That's how it works. More videos you will create, more there's a chance that one of your videos either will hit big or go viral or will get discovered by a lot of people. And that's all you need to do. More videos you have, the better. So think of creating videos. It's not the quality versus quantity thing. Don't think about that just yet. It's very early for this. That means that just create videos, because when you'll have a portfolio of the videos, meaning that you'll have some amount of videos, it is easier to get people to get on board on your channel. And that's why the beginning is the slowest. And number 4, which is very important, is it takes time. Push it into your head. It takes time. YouTube is not a sprint. It's a marathon. And be prepared for months of work seemingly without results. Because you'll upload your first video, it will not get views. You'll upload your second video, it will not get views. You'll upload your 10th video, it may get 4 views, etc., etc. You can continue creating videos and they will not get views. But you'll push onwards, you'll create a 50th video, and your 50th video will go viral. And that's all you need. It takes time. Just understand that it takes time. You'll never know when it will push through. Just do the videos because you want it, not because you want the results right away. Just you want it, because results will come eventually. Every single channel has its time of growth. And your time, maybe a few weeks or maybe a year. So just you need to push forward towards this time. Because if you'll stop even the week before that, if you'll stop even one video before that, you just did all for nothing. Don't do all for nothing. That will be it for this lecture. Let's go for the next one.